Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Microsoft Edge back to default settings. So for you to do that, you have to open on your Microsoft Edge on PC. Once you do that, then you tap at this three dot icon at the right top corner of the screen. Once you do that, then another page can pop up, then go straight to settings. Good. Once you go straight to settings, another page come up, then you scroll down and you tap at this option here, which is preset settings. Then you come here and tap at the option, then you confirm it. Once you reset your settings, all your default settings in your settings on your Microsoft Edge, starting from your bookmark, your tabs, your opening tabs, everything, and even the password saved by your Edge, all will be reset back to their normal default settings. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.